In this video, I'll be creating a large nativity scene using these 8 raw wood items from Dollar Tree. And I will also be doing a thrift flip per se on this little Precious Moments nativity set I bought for 50 cents at Goodwill. I'm going to be stacking these boxes together in the shape of a Christmas tree, or a pyramid you might say, and I'll show you in just a minute how I'll do that. But first I'm going to take off all the price labels and all the plastic, of course. Then I'm going to be painting the bottoms of all these boxes with the Waverly chalk paint color Ivory. And you could paint your boxes all the way around if you wanted to, but they really won't be seen. I put one coat of each on each of these boxes, and it's not giving them a big color difference. It's just making everything look fresh and matching. To make my tree shape, I'm going to put the 3 crates across the bottom. Then I'll go over that with the outer pieces of those boxes, the squares. On top of that, I'll go with 3 of the inner pieces, and then I go up to the other 2 inner pieces, and that last outer piece goes at the very top. I bought a SVG file on Etsy for $1.48 of this nativity scene, and what I'm going to do is cut the pieces apart and put those onto the boxes, and I did cut that out on black vinyl. I chose not to glue these pieces together because I want to be able to easily put them away at the end of the season, and this way I can still put those 2 sizes of boxes together to take up less room. And here's how that turned out. I think it's so pretty. You could paint this green to look more like a Christmas tree, or just use any color you want, whatever suits your decor. I just thought that the ivory with the black silhouettes would go with more different things that I may do in the future. Today's video is part of an open playlist titled Away in a Manger. It's being hosted by myself and my friend Becky over at Simply Becky DIY. And we've asked participants to craft up either an element of or a full nativity scene if they like. And I've left a link for that playlist as well as a link for Becky's channel in the descriptions below. This is a set that I picked up at Goodwill out of the toy section almost 2 years ago. I paid 50 cents because green tags were half price that day. And they're just sweet little Precious Moments characters, and their arms and heads move. And I'm going to be making a stand to put these on. I'm taking a Dollar Tree tray with the star cutouts on each end, and I'm going to use Waverly chalk paint in the color lavender because that was about the only paint in my stash that I could match up with some of the pastels going on there. And I'm also going to paint one of these barn cutouts from Dollar Tree with that same color. And I had this left over from the last project, and I thought it would give a little more something for the background of these characters, and it fit just perfectly. And here is how that one turned out. So sweet. I put a tea light under the tray, but you can barely see it with the light of this ring light going on. But yeah, and again, I didn't glue the pieces together because I want to be able to take them apart to store them after Christmas, to store them more easily. And that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please, if you did, let me know by leaving a thumbs up. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, I would like to say welcome. I hope you will consider hitting that subscribe button on your way out. Until next time, bye-bye.